Hello Year 3 and welcome to your third and final topic lesson of week 2. As you know, we've been looking at light and mirrors and sunshine and the effects of sunshine, and this lesson is all about consolidating your learning and really showing what you've learned and seeing other people can answer your questions. So you're going to become Marvellous Mirror Quiz masters, and you're going to write some questions for other people to answer. So the learning objective is, can I investigate how mirrors work in reflecting light? And the success criteria are, can you create a quiz about light and reflection? And can you correctly answer questions about light and reflection, maybe answering somebody else's quiz? Right, so what have we covered so far in light during this topic? Well, we've looked at light and dark and what they are. How materials reflect light, what makes the best reflective materials and why, and we looked at reflecting materials and how they can be used and what they can be used for. We've also looked at the harmful effects of UV or ultraviolet rays from the sun and how we can prevent them from burning our skin or hurting us, and we've looked at or hurting our eyes, and we've looked at mirrors and how they reflect light and what they can be used for and how they work. So now's your chance to really show everyone what you've learned and see if you can get others know as much about light as you can. So what you're going to do is you are going to become a quiz master. You are going to create a quiz for someone else to try and answer. You should think about questions about light, mirrors, and reflected surfaces based on what we've learned so far. Remember to make a separate answer sheet so that the person who does your quiz can, you can then mark out their answers to see how they've got on. So think about what we've been learning. Maybe your quiz could be 3, 5, 7 questions. Doesn't need to be more than 7 questions. If you can use some of the vocabulary that we've been covering, that would be fantastic too. So you're creating a quiz including questions about light and reflection. Make sure you use the key vocabulary if you can, the things, you know, the right words that we've been learning in this topic. Let's see if we can use what we've learned so far. When you've finished your quiz, why not get someone to try to answer your questions? I mean, it could be a member of your family or someone at home, or if you are in contact, maybe online or by email or message with someone else in Year 3, why not swap quizzes with them so that they can try to answer your questions or you can try and answer theirs. In fact, if you had a video conference, you could ask one question and they could answer it, and then they could ask one of their questions, and you could answer it, and you could have a lot of fun doing that. When you've done it, obviously you'll have written down your questions and answers, so don't forget to get an adult to load them up to Tapestry so we can see what questions you've done and you've asked, and we can maybe see how well other people have done with your quiz. Good luck, enjoy, and I'll see you again next week. Take care, bye.